Didn't plan that, but geez, I love stuff like that. 181181. It's gonna be a good day. Well, haven't made it far, but how can you pass this up? So this little beachfront condo is 200 pesos a night. That's 10 US. Why am I gonna drive any further? Oh, that's so good. Let's call it almost perfect. Not sure if the camera caught that, but I just let out a giant burrito fart. That's enough steps for today. Here's a little segment we'll call Rant of the Day. You know, when you meet someone on a motorbike, you don't need to tell them about your cousin Bernie that died or your cousin's friend that died on a motorcycle. We get it. Motorcycles are dangerous. You know what else is dangerous? Sitting at home doing nothing. Get out there, experience life. Okay, just shit my pants. I pulled over because there's a cool bus. I'll show you a photo of it. But as I turned around and slowed down, a tarantula came right up my windshield, and it is somewhere on my bike. So I'm not getting on the bike till I spot him. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Still can't find the tarantula. I know I saw a tarantula, and I just realized I know nothing about tarantulas. And there's a million places it can hide on the front cowling of the bike. So, but I don't think I can wait any longer. If this is my last video, I love you all. Hope you're having a great day. And by the way, still haven't seen that tarantula. I'm hoping he fell off while I was going 70 and he died a horrible death. Or she. Yeah,